everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be making our own red salt that is going to help you bring some flavor to your Daniel Fast dishes. You are going to need onion powder, garlic powder, ground turmeric, black pepper, paprika, salt, celery powder, ground mustard, ground cayenne pepper, and brown sugar. I'm going to have in the description below all the measurements that you're going to need. If you see me putting more than the required measurements that I have here, I do have a bigger family, so I did have to make triple the portion of the salt. Once you add in all of your ingredients, you will go ahead and blend it until it's all incorporated. Once it's blended, you can go ahead and add it to any container that you like, and you can use it to add it to your potatoes, to your mushrooms, to your zucchinis, anything that you like. That is all for today. I really hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will continue to make more recipes for you guys. Goodbye.